So guys, Ridge Wallet saw my Apple credit card video and actually sent me a ton of stuff. I gave a shout out to their Ridge wallet, and I really like it. I've used their wallets and stuff for a long time. I think it'd be a great option for the Apple Card when it comes out. So they like just hooked me up with some stuff on their website. Let's see what's in here. I don't know if this is everything or just one item. I'm gonna try not to leak my address. So I think this is their backpack. And we got some other goodies in here too. Carry less, live more. That's a sticker, that's awesome. Here is one of their Ridge wallets. I already have a carbon fiber one, but this is a titanium one, which ironically will pair great with the titanium Apple Card when it comes out. And then this is a cable. It's a braided cable, Type-C to USB cable. It's braided, pretty cool. So let's see like what's actually in here. Here's the actual wallet. Forget an unboxing knife when you have an unboxing mouth. And this is the titanium burnt one. I love like boxes that are really tight and hard to open. It's like the Apple product feel. Ooh, that's pretty cool. It's way more subtle than I thought it would be. Like I thought it would, like the colors would move around, but that's actually really nice. Like a new, oh, this feels really good in the hand. Like I like this better than the carbon fiber one, like it's heavier feeling. And then it's just got their Ridge card in there. It says how to use it. But basically it has like a money clip on the outside. And then all you gotta do is just put your cards in there like that. And then if you want to like get your cards out, you just push your finger in there. Like I'll demonstrate. So you got your cards in there and you just push and that's how you get it out. And you can put like a crazy amount of cards in here. I think like 12 or 14 or something like that. The less cards you have, the better. And this kind of forces you to be minimalistic because you kind of think about what you need every day. And then here is their backpack they sent me. Because when I was going to the hospital and traveling, I realized I need like a really good backpack for all my tech and stuff. The one I used was just like a decent one from Walmart. I want something a little bit better. So here is their, backpack. This is the 15-inch, so it should fit my MacBook Pro. It feels really nice, like the zippers and the seams. I've never had like a really nice backpack. All my backpacks have been like $50 or more. Oh, there's, what? There's a cable built in? What the heck? What is this? Where does this lead to? Does this charge something? What? I'll have to look into that. I don't know if there's, oh my gosh. Guys, I'm shook. Look, there's a port on the outside, so you can plug this in into like a power bank, I would imagine, inside your book bag, and then you have an easy access plug on the outside. That's pretty cool. And then there's like a really padded insert for like your iPad or something. There's a lot going on. I'm gonna have to take a look at this bag in like a full video. So I'm just not like figuring out every cool thing on camera live. Oh, let's take a look at the cable too. I digress. I was ending the video, but I decided not to. So this is the Type-C to USB cable. Can't have enough USB-C cables. If you want to charge like your MacBook Pro though, you need like USB-C to Lightning type of, or USB-C to USB-C. But this will definitely come in handy, and the quality seems really good. It's like braided. It has this nice little tie on it so you can organize your cables. I am really bad about that. Like I never think to do that. Like new, kind of. And their Ridge wallet is literally my favorite wallet. Like, it's changed the way I use wallets. That sounds a little crazy, but that's how I feel. It's just like so small, really heavy. Okay, I digress. See you guys later. Bye.